Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite pet. This time it's gonna be Kyo. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw in the big, kind of like the visor area first. So it's just gonna be one big curve. So this is gonna be almost the width of his head. So let's draw one big curve like this first. And now in the center, we're gonna draw in his eye shape here. So right here, I'm just gonna draw like a little, kind of like a little arc. And then right after these, I'm gonna draw in two more arcs, a little bit higher up. So start in the corner, and then just go up a little bit more and come back down to the corners. Alright, so once you have that, right in the middle right here, just come down, just gonna draw a little line across. And then from these corners, I'm gonna slant down, so this would be kind of like his mouth area. Well, his mouth area would be right around here on the bottom. Okay, so just slant it down. And then now we're gonna draw a nice curve connecting this to the corner. From this, just go up. So this overall shape is kind of like almost like a little almond or football shape. Alright, so after that, now let's finish up the rest of the head. So right on the side here, just come out. Just kind of slant it down, straight. And then from each side, I'm just going to draw one big curve connecting it. I know it's kind of tricky with these big curves. Alright, and then once you have these big curves, let's see, let's just finish this part up. From the corners right here, I'm just gonna go straight down. And then in the middle here, I'll just draw a little triangle. So just draw one line like this up here, and then come back down to the center. Alright, so now we can draw in the top of the head, and it's a little bit tricky. So probably an easier way to draw it is from the middle here, just go up. You can make a little point. And then just go from there to each side. Okay, so slant down. Alright, so hope yours are coming out okay. So now let's go ahead and finish up his ears. So right up here, I'll make a little point, and then right here, right on top of the eye, if you go up, make another point there, so that's gonna be the base of the ear. So now we just draw one big almond shape, going up and then come back down. Okay, so let's draw in the other side. So we're gonna come up, make a little point. And once you have these two big points, just draw a nice curve. Alright, and then for the details inside, this one's easy. We'll just draw another curve, exactly the same as the outside. Okay, so come here, curve. Okay, so then let's draw his neck. So we're just gonna come out here, nice and wide. And then from here, we're gonna curve down toward the center. And then right in the middle here, I'll just close it off. And let's just go ahead and add some details right here to the neck. Draw one line across, and then on each side, just go up. And then from this corner, just go back up. Or go back out with the same curve as that. Alright, so now let's draw his legs, and we're gonna start up here. I'm gonna curve it down right around to this area right here, and then we'll just close it off with a curve. So same thing here, just curve down, and then just kind of round it off, close it back to the center. Okay, so that's his upper leg, and then for his joint here, just one curve. Let's draw the other side as well. And then now for the lower legs, curve, and then just close it off flat. From the corners here, just kind of draw a little curve going up. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So this thing is symmetrical. Close it off flat. Same curve up here. And then let's just go ahead and draw in his foot. So his foot, we're just gonna come down and then close it off flat again. And then I'm just gonna add 2 lines. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Kind of curve and flare out, close it off flat, and then 2 lines down. Okay, so those are his front legs, and now for his rear legs, we can draw the foot first and then we'll draw in the rest. So just come out to the side right here, it's a little bit higher. I'll draw 1 line across, and then just draw like a little curve going down like this. Draw 1 line across, and then same detail down here, just 2 lines. Okay, so let's draw on the other side, same thing here. 1 line across, and then the same kind of bow shape. Line across, and then 2 lines again. Alright, so those are his foot, and to finish up the leg, just come back up here. Just gonna draw 1 big curve going down, and just have it touch the foot. Okay, so come across, 1 big curve, come down, and just touch the foot. And then for some extra detail here, I'm just gonna add 1 more little curve coming down like this. Right here. Just curve it out. And then lastly, for some extra detail here, right on the shoulder, just curve. And that is it for this Kyo pet. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.